Number 20th, a circle in the xy plane has a diameter with endpoints 2, 4 and 2, 14. Okay, so that means there is a circle. Let's this be the circle, and its diameter has endpoints 2, 4 and 2, 14. Okay, an equation of this circle is x minus 2 whole squared plus y minus 9 whole squared is equal to r squared, where r is a positive constant, right? Definitely r is going to be positive because r is radius and radius cannot be negative for real circles. So what is the value of r? See, this is a question which can be solved by proper method, or you can just see the data and do some smart steps, right? So if I do it with like proper method, like using the formula, putting the values into this. So first let's do it by proper method. Now equation of the circle is x minus 2 whole squared plus y minus 9 whole squared is equal to r squared. Okay, this is r and this is also r. So now because it is passing through 2, 4, right? So we can plug x as 2 and y as 4. So that will be 2 minus 2 whole squared plus 4 minus 9 whole squared, and that will be equal to r squared. So that is 0 and 0 squared is 0. So we can totally ignore this part. And this is negative 5 whole squared is equal to r squared. So r square is equal to 25 because square of any negative number is also positive. And if I do square root on both sides, r is actually plus minus 5 if we see the concept, right? But here r, because r is the radius, so it cannot be negative. So we will say r is equal to 5. So value of r is 5. Now you must think that okay, 2, 4 is, we have plugged in 2, 4. What if we use 2, 14? Okay, so that means we can replace this with 14. This one, let's just rub this because 2 is same. So instead of 4, I am doing 14. 14 minus 9 whole squared. So this is again 0. 14 minus 9 is 5 squared. Again that is 25, right? And again r is equal to 5. So that means r is equal to 5, and that is the proper way of doing it. But sometimes the coordinates help us to see a very different picture of the question. Let's see what it is representing here. See, that is the proper method. We have already solved the question. Now I'm just giving you a smart way to solve this question or to save time. You see, x coordinates are same, right? X coordinates are same. That means it is some line. If you imagine it, I am drawing it because I have to explain the concept. But if you imagine it, right, x is always 2. It is always 2. Y is at one go it's 4 and 14 will be somewhere here. So it is a line which is parallel to the y-axis, right? Because its x coordinate is same. So y-axis is going to be the like y coordinates are different. So that is 2, 14 and 2, 4. Now if you just see the concept, this length of this line segment AB is 14 minus 4, which is 10, right? And this is the circle which is passing through these points, and this is okay, not the proper circle. Just imagine a proper circle over here like this. So that means its diameter is going to be 10, and if diameter is 10, radius is going to be 5, right? So if you understand, like if x coordinate is same, only y is different, then what can be the length of the segment? And this way we are not using any of the formula, any of the concepts, like just simple understanding of the distance, and then here we are, right? So we have solved this question with proper formula. And first we used 2, 4, radius is 5. Even when we are using 214, radius is 5. So you can use any of the points, right? You will get the same answer. And second is the smart way. If x coordinate is same, how you can find this distance from 14 to 4 or from 4 to 14, and then half it, because this is the diameter. I hope you find this question really interesting.